Good morning Year 1 and welcome to today's maths lesson. Now for maths today we're looking at tens and ones and we are going to look a lot at 10 sticks. Now you haven't got any 10 sticks at home and you've only got 20 cubes, but what you have in your packs this week is our 10 squares, and you have 6 10 squares on a piece of paper. So if you need help you can always use those, and you can use your whiteboard and pen to draw them on. If not, just see how far you get on without them. So let's start by warming up our brains. So we've got a number square here that says find the number 20. So we must be able to find 20 easy because we know 10 is here, and then we know if we count down we're counting in our tens. So 10, 20, so 20 is here. Now find the number 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Find the number 16. Let's find the number 16. So this should be easy to do because we know that it's more than 10 but less than 20. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And our last one is find the number 26. 26, where's 26? So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Fantastic. Now let's go on. Today's learning. Oh, we've got some birds. Now, how many birds are there? So one tree has 10 birds. So one tree, 10 birds, 10 birds, 10 birds. So we know that we can then count in tens to make it easier. Because if I was just along to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it would take a really long time. So let's go. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Well done. So how many tens did we have? 1, 2, 3. We had 3 tens and then 4 single birds. So here we've got, there are 3 full trees, and how many more birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 more birds. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. There are 34 birds in total. Well done. Let's move on. Right, so straws. What do we know about straws? If they're an elastic band, what does it equal? 10. Fantastic. So how many straws are there? One bundle of straws equals 10 straws. How many bundles are there? So how many lots of 10 have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So there are 4 bundles of 10. And how many individual straws? 1, 2, 3, and 3 more straws. So if we've got 4 bundles and 3 individual, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. So there are 43 straws in total. You add the tens and the ones. Well done. Okay, so here we have got some cubes and a 10 stick. 10 ones is equal to 1 10. So when we have our cubes, if I was to put these out all individually, I would have 10 individual cubes. When it gets to 10, you turn it into a 10 stick. Okay, so 10 ones equals 1 10. Okay, the same with the straws. If we had 10 individual straws, we tie them all together, it makes 1 bundle of 10. So how many are here? How many cubes have we got in total? See if you can work it out. You can pause me if you need more time. Right, let's work it out together. So we've got 10 sticks, and we know there's 10 here because it's 1 10 stick. 1, 2, 3. So 3 10 sticks. So how many tens is that? That's 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens. So 3 tens, and how many single cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single cubes. Well done, so 6 ones. 3 tens and 6 ones. How many does that make in total? How do we put it all together? 3 tens. What does 3 tens make? 10, 20, 30, And we're adding on 6 ones, so 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. There are 36 in total. Well done. 3 10s, 6 ones, add them together, it's 36. Well done. Right, building numbers to 50. We're going to go all the way up to 50 to show you one. How exciting. So again, we've got 10 cubes here. What do 10 cubes make? 1 10 stick. Don't want to see 10 individual cubes on their own. Want to see it built as one stick. So I can build big numbers using these. Let's see what you can do. Oh, Tiny says, how about 35? Should we have a go at making 35? Now, on your in your book, you can have a go at drawing a 10 stick, or you can use your 10 frames and you can have a go at drawing them with your whiteboard. So we have got, can we have a go at making 35? So let's break 35 out. So if we share 35 out into 10s and 1s, there are how many 10s in 35? There are 3 10s, because it just shows you right here. 35, 3 10s. So 35 has 3 10s, and how many 1s? 5. Well, no, it says it here. 10s and 1s, 3 and 5. So 10 1s and 5 1s, and shared that out. So 3 10 sticks and 5 single ones. That makes 35 there. Let's see if we can do some more. So, how many have we got here? So we have got how many 10s? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s. And how many 1s? 2. So 4 10s and 2 1s. So you need to do a 4 and a 2. What's 4 and 2? 4 is 40. 42. So 42 is how many 1s? How many 10s? 4 and how many 1s? 2. So 42 is shared out into 4 10s and 2 1s. Well done. What about 27? So if I was to make 27 with my 10 sticks and my cubes, I would need how many 10s? If 42 needed 4, how many 10s would 27 make? Yeah, it just needs 2. So 2 10s and how many 1s? 42 had 2 1s, 27 has 7 1s. Well done. So 2 10s and 7 1s. Right. Oh, this time they've told us how many 10s and 1s we have, but we don't have the whole number, so we're going to have to work backwards. So something is 3 10s and 0 1s. Okay, so 3 10s. What has 3 10s in it? 10, 20, 30. So it has to be a 3 and then has no 1s. What's got 3 10s and no 1s? 30. It's just 30, isn't it? Because you can see 3 10s and no 1s. It's just 30. Well done. 9. 9. How many 10s are in 9? None. There isn't. There's no 10s. There's just the 1. So there is no 10s and 9 1s. Well done, you. It's very tricky. Now, here we've got 4 10s and 2 1s makes 42. 4 10s, 2 1s, 42. 3 10s and 2 1s makes how many? 32. 32. What's the same and what is different? Oh, let's have a look at what's the same first. So what's the same? What numbers they got the same? Yeah, the 2's are the same. 2, 2, 2 and 2. 2 and 2. Well done. If we had 22, so 2 10s and 2 1s, that makes 22. What's different here? Yeah, the 10s are different. We're getting a smaller amount of 10s. So 10, 10, 10, 40, 30, 20. Well done. Let's go on and have a look at this. So now we've got how many 10s? 40. How many 1s? 2. In total we've got 42. How many tens? 40 again. How many ones? 3. So what's our total there? 43. 43. Right, what's the same? Our tens are the same, aren't they? Because same amount of tens. They've both got 40 tens. Now down here we've also got another number, 40 tens and 4 ones. So that's 44. Now what's different? They all have the same amount of tens. What about the ones? The ones, well done, they're getting bigger. We had 2, 3, and now we've got 4. So that's what's different. Right, well done, year one. That was kind of tricky, but I think we'll be able to get it quite easily. Let's have a look at today's worksheet and see what we've got to do. Okay, here is today's worksheet. So, how many apples are there? So, we've got to count our apples. Now, we're really lucky because they've already put them in 10 frames for us. So, we've got 10, 20, 30, and then how many single ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 10, 20, 30, 4. So, there are how many tens? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. And how many individual ones? 4. And that makes 34 apples in total. Now let's have a look at these with our 10 sticks and our cubes. So what number is shown? There are something tens. How many 10 sticks are there? 4. And how many 1 cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 tens and 8 ones equals 48. Well done. Let's go up here. So draw base 10 to show the numbers. Now you haven't got at home your base 10 or any deans, but you have got your 10 frames. You've got a 10 frame that has 6 10 frames on it. I want you on there to have a go at drawing with a whiteboard pen 23. So can you have a go at drawing 23 on there? And then when you've done that, can you have a go at drawing 3 tens and 2 ones? What's 3 tens and 2 ones? Have a go at working that out. Let's go down to here for now. So complete the number sentences. So we've got to work our way along. 1 10 and 8 ones. 1 10 stick and 8 ones. So let's write this how it's saying it. So 1 10 and 8 ones. 1 10, 8 ones is 18. Well done. Something is 2 10s and 5 ones. So 2 10s and 5 ones is the number 25. 41 is something 10s and 1s. So we need to break 41 up now. So 41 is something 10s. Which is our 10s column? This side or this side? This side is our 10s. So 4 10s. And how many ones are there? Just one there. 1. 37. We need to break 37 into its 10s and its 1s. How many 10s are in 37? Got here. That's our 10 section, so 3. Our 1 section is next to it, so 7. 37 ones is 10 ones, 3 10s and 7 ones, and 2 10s and 10, 2 10s and 10 ones. So 2 10s makes 20, but 10 ones, can we have 10 ones? If we had 10 individual straws, what does it turn into? Yeah, it turns into 1 10. So therefore, we haven't got 2 10s and 10 ones. We've got 2 10s and then another 10. So how many 10s have we got in total? We've got 3 10s, which makes what? 10, 20, 30. Well done. Now, our last question is, Eva and Jack are making the same number. Eva has 2 10s. Jack has 9 ones. What number are Eva and Jack making? So if Eva has 2 10s, she has these 2 10s here, and Jack has 9 1s. So let's draw 9 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number are they making together? They're making the same number, they're just doing it a bit different. So 2 10s and 9 1s. 2 10s and 9 1s. What number have they made? 29. Fantastic. Okay, year 1, that is today's home learning. All done. That's your maths, and then you should have already done your phonics and your English. Great work, and keep it up, and I will see you tomorrow for some more home learning. Bye.